Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the compressor clutch without removing the clutch. The clutch compressor is there, backs up downside. Let's see where is easy location. I have to open the tire. First of all, fix the jack downside the car. Fix it there. Must we fix the stand downside the car, safety stand. Okay. Now open the tire. You can see I remove this tire. Now remove this dust cover. Okay. There have some bolts, screw. Okay. Remove this screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, and some clips. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove all. Remove the dust cover. You can see there have a clutch. Okay, first of all we have to remove the engine belt. Let's go upside. There have adjuster for removing the engine belt. Let's go outside. You can see there have adjuster. Let's move the adjuster and remove the engine belt. Let's see. Okay, I fixed the wrench here. We need a wrench. You can see if now you can see I fixed the spanner key with the wrench because adjuster don't go. You can see I fixed the spanner because adjuster don't move. Let's remove the belt. It's a loose belt, you can remove it easily. Spanner. Oh, and remove this one. Did you see where I fix this one? Here I fix. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Now what you have to do, remove this bolt. Okay, then remove this bolt. Okay, because with this pipe, okay, you can work easily. Okay, then remove. Now remove this bolt also. You can see here have a washer. Don't lose this washer, it's very important. Where is it? Okay, this washer fix in the clutch. Okay, don't lose. Now remove this lock. For remove this lock you need this plier. lock remover. Okay, go. Now we need to remove this. How you remove? We need a pulley. It's a pulley remover, bearing remover. This here. Okay. It's really very hard to work with one hand. See this how I fixed with pulley. You can see the one leg fix here, one leg fix here, and one leg fix here, and the bolt fix inside the router. Okay, here is router. Okay, now I have to tight this bolt by gun, by hand, anything. Yeah, you can see I remove this one. Okay, this is a bearing with pulley. Now I have to remove the lock inside the pencil. We have one lock also. The lock remover. There you go, fix here. Okay, this is the lock remover. Now this is the clutch. Remove this clutch. There have one bolt and one wire connector. Remove this connector and remove the clutch out. Remove this clutch. Okay, I have to buy one new one.